In this video, I'll be doing a quick side-to-side comparison between Zing and Tableau to see how the experience differs when it comes to uploading a data source to conducting a simple visualization of the data on these two platforms. I'll be using an Excel file containing housing data of the Bay Area in the past several months as my data source. I'll also be using a timer to see how long it takes for me to accomplish this whole process on the two different platforms. Now, let's get right into it. We start by uploading the Excel file onto these two platforms. And as you can see, Tableau took a lot quicker in this process, and I could go right into creating the visualization. However, it was a lot harder to find the desired fields because of the formatting of the text, and I took some time to apply the appropriate aggregations on each field as well. Whereas for Zing, it was a lot easier to just find the field and drag them onto the existing chart template, and I was already done with building the visualization. On Tableau, I was still trying to tweak the aggregations around and change the chart types to get a result that I desired. In the end, I could only get a visualization containing two separate graphs on Tableau, which wasn't really what I wanted. And overall, it took me 55 seconds to finish the process on Zing and 1 minute and 9 seconds to finish the process on Tableau. Now, let me know what you guys think of the whole process on these two platforms and which do you think works better for you. Thank you.